We often think of New Year's Eve as a time to go out and celebrate at crowded venues with expensive drinks and long lines. But did you know that you can create a memorable New Year's Eve party right in the comfort of your own home? In today's video, we'll guide you through how to host an unforgettable New Year's Eve celebration that your friends and family will love. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're diving into how to host a fabulous New Year's Eve party at home. This is a fantastic way to celebrate the arrival of the new year with your loved ones in a cozy and festive atmosphere. Let's get started. First things first, setting the date and time. New Year's Eve falls on December 31st every year, so pick a start time that works for your guests. An earlier start around 7 or 8 p.m. allows for more activities before midnight. If you prefer a shorter celebration, a 10 p.m. start time might be better. Make sure to communicate the start and end times clearly in your invitations, especially if you plan to continue the party past midnight. Second, crafting your guest list. Think about who you want to celebrate with and how many people your space can accommodate. Aim for a cozy gathering of about 8 to 12 guests. This size fosters interaction and allows everyone to enjoy the festivities without feeling crowded. Send out invitations at least 3 to 4 weeks in advance to ensure everyone has time to RSVP. Third, planning your evening schedule. Creating a timeline for your party helps keep things organized. Here's a sample schedule to consider. Fourth, setting the mood with decorations. New Year's Eve calls for festive decorations. Decide on a theme and color scheme. Think black, silver, and gold. Add sparkle with metallic balloons, streamers, and a disco ball for that party vibe. Don't forget to create a DIY photo backdrop with shimmery curtains or a balloon arch, and set your table with a vibrant tablecloth and festive napkins. Fifth, food and drink selection. Food and drinks are key to any successful party. Plan for a mix of appetizers, about 5 to 6 bites per person. Some popular options include mini quiches, cheese and crackers, veggie platters, and meatballs. Set up a cocktail station where guests can mix their own drinks, and don't forget non-alcoholic options like sparkling cider or mocktails. Consider having a signature drink for the night, and make sure you have plenty of champagne for the midnight toast. Sixth, planning engaging activities. Keep your guests entertained with fun activities. Set up a photo booth with props like party hats and glasses. Organize games such as charades or trivia contests, and don't forget to have a playlist of upbeat songs to keep the energy high. You could even have a cozy pajama party theme for a relaxed vibe. Seventh, ensuring safety and accommodations. Safety should be a top priority. Designate someone to collect car keys from guests who plan to drink. Provide a comfortable space for guests who may need to stay overnight. And keep your home well lit to prevent accidents. Have a first aid kit accessible just in case. Eighth, party favors and New Year traditions. Party favors can add a fun touch to your celebration. Consider handing out noisemakers, party hats, and sparklers for outdoor use at midnight. Incorporate some New Year traditions like eating 12 grapes at midnight for good luck or serving black-eyed peas for prosperity. Ninth, prepping for the countdown. As midnight approaches, make sure everything is ready for the big moment. Set up a visible countdown timer and prepare your champagne or sparkling cider for the toast. Hand out noisemakers and party favors, and plan a fun activity to keep everyone engaged as you count down to the new year. Finally, clean up and follow up. Once the party is over, tackle the cleanup efficiently. Collect trash and recyclables, rinse dishes before washing, and store leftover food properly. Gather feedback from your guests about what they enjoyed for your next event. And remember, the celebration doesn't have to end here. Continue exploring new recipes and party ideas for future gatherings. Encourage your guests to suggest themes or activities for next time to keep things fresh and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.